Welcome to Libra Lubes, your one-stop solution for all types of lubricating oils, industrial oils, high-grade motor oils, greases, and liquid paraffin. Whether you're powering heavy machinery, keeping your car running smoothly, or managing industrial operations, we've got you covered. When it comes to performance and longevity, quality lubricants and oils are essential. Whether it's reducing wear and tear, improving fuel efficiency, or ensuring smooth operations, our products are designed to meet the toughest standards. We offer a complete range of oils and lubricants tailored to meet your specific needs. High-grade motor oil, engine protection and smooth performance for all types of vehicles. Industrial oils, designed for machinery and equipment, ensuring maximum efficiency and durability. Greases, providing the lubrication needed for heavy-duty and high-temperature applications. Liquid paraffin, used in a variety of applications from industrial to pharmaceutical industries, ensuring smooth, clean operations. What sets us apart? We're committed to delivering the highest quality oils, backed by excellent customer service. From automotive to construction, manufacturing to agriculture, our oils work across a wide range of industries.